Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all for the good work you are doing, your contribution, suggestion, your encouragement. Thank you, our new subscribers. Thank you, our old subscribers as well. We thank you all so much for all that you are doing in developing of this farm. We thank you all. We have come this far. Today, the content of our video is about building or constructing a pen. Constructing a pen or building a pen house for the pigs. It is very, very important that as you want to start this farm, the most important thing that you need is the place for the pigs. And this is how we began. As you all know, about exactly a year ago, we embarked in this project. Little did we know that we will go this far, just a year now. And in our next video, we're gonna give you updates from the beginning until today. It is very, very challenging, but we thank God. You know, as I always say, we made a lot of mistakes constructing this pig house, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes. We started this targeting about $4,000, and at the end of the day, we spent about $6,000. And I'm gonna give you a breakdown. Now, we decided to go with 10 pens. And with the 10 pens that we constructed, if you can see from the video, you realize that we started the 10 pens, we got to the roofing level, and then we decided to add 2 more, which was much bigger. Now, we had 8 by 7 being the smaller pens, which is 10, 8 by 7. And then the bigger one that we added was 8 by 13. 8 by 13. So we had 8 by 7 and 8 by 13. So we had 2 8 by 13s. And then we had the 10 8 by 7. And I will advise you, if you are going into this and if you can make your pens a little bigger than ours, that will be very advantageous to you. It will be very good for you. So make it a mark. Then we cut our own blocks. We did not buy sand because the farm had a lot of sand. So we brought in a payloader which graded and heaped the sand for us to use. So we did not buy sand. And the sand that we use, that is the same sand we use to construct the blocks or to make the blocks. And we made 2,000 blocks. We made 2,000 blocks, which was very, very important. We made 2,000 blocks. And like I said, we did not buy the sand. So that is a little bit advantageous over there. And also with the cement, we bought about 80 bags of cement in making the blocks and the construction of the pen. We bought about 80 bags. And also the wood, which I do not have the detail or the estimate for the woods that we use. but as you can see, and based on this, also the roofing sheets that we used were aloe zinc, and I don't remember how much we bought one at that time. And the total size of the pen is 21 by 83 feet. That's 21 feet by 83 feet. And if you starting this, it will depend on what size you are looking and how much your pocket will be. And together with all the estimates that we had, we spent about $5,000 in constructing the pen. This is about a year ago. So when you are making estimates for your pen, you should look at your pocket first and how big you want it. And every area that you are might bring the cost down. It is very important that every area that you are might bring the cost down. And also, making the concrete is very important. The concrete of the floor is very important. Make sure that you do a solid concrete, because the pigs can dig the ground if your concrete is not solid. And we have been having that experience because our concrete was not that solid. It was not cast with, I believe the cement wasn't sufficient, the stones were not much. So because they use river sand to do that, so you have to put all those things into consideration. Yes, put all those things into consideration. So this is it. When you are going into it, make sure that you get the right materials. Make sure that especially the floor concrete is very solid so that they cannot dig through. It is easy for them to dig through the ground, and they have a very powerful mouth, so they can easily dig through the ground. As I'm saying, a lot of stuff needs to be done, and if you are looking forward to do this, try as much as you can and look some videos, compare, and then make sure you do the right thing so that you will not spend in the future. So like I said, the total size of this structure is 21 feet by 83, and the smaller pen size is 8 by 7, and then the bigger ones are 7 by 13. 8 by 13. So this is what it is. So we had 12 pens in all. 12 pens in all. And like I said, after a year, we're looking to expand. So I always say that you can start little by little. You can start little by little. You don't have to wait till you put a bigger structure before you start, because they add up easily. They add up easily. So if this is your vision, go ahead and do it. Thank you all. God richly bless you. I hope this information will help you all. Thanks, and look out for our next video. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.